One of the most common questions I get asked is, how do I get a design off the screen once it's finished? So I've kind of just moved us over into the embroidery stitch out screen, and I'm going to pretend that the design has finished and it has told me I'm done and I'm ready to move on to another design. So I'm going to pretend I'm at the very last stitch, which it will show me that I have completed the design in just a second here. It'll cut that last thread for me, and it will tell me your embroidery is finished. So touch OK. And then what do you do to get out of this? So you are first looking for the embroidery edit option. Now as you touch this, it's going to recognize you still have the hoop on. So first thing to do, please remove the hoop. If you've already done that, then that message won't come up. Oftentimes I'll just set that right there on the bed of the embroidery unit and touch OK. So the embroidery arm moves all the way over to its far park position automatically. And now you're ready to load your next design. So here's what you want to do. You want to go ahead and touch the design and turn it so the green box is all the way around it, and then touch and hold. When you do that, you have your options that come up. So if you had more than one design on screen, then I would recommend that you touch delete all. And it'll just delete everything off your screen. Now delete sounds a little scary. People are like, oh, am I going to delete these out of my machine? You're actually not. You're just clearing the screen. So if you just touch delete, if you just had one design, then it just goes completely away, and then you're ready to access the other designs or next design for your next embroidery project.